At Our Lady of Mercy Academy, we know that choosing a high school is a big deal. After all, your high school is where you meet lifelong friends, discover yourself, and what interests you the most. It's where you'll have fun and make some of the best memories. You'll learn, succeed, and even fail a time or two. But it's all a part of the journey with the goal of getting you ready for what comes next. College may seem like a lifetime away, but trust me when I tell you that it gets here fast. Before you know it, you'll be going through this whole school selection process all over again, which is why choosing the right high school is so important. You see, the world's top colleges and universities are looking for exceptional students, but that's not all they want. In addition to being well prepared academically, the most sought-after candidates have good character. They're resilient. They have a true sense of purpose, are eager to try new things, and never let anything stand in their way. That's what they get in an Olma graduate, and why we invite you to come check out our school.
Now, more than ever, we're being put into all sorts of uncomfortable situations. Normal looks a whole lot different these days, but that's okay, we got this. Today, we're learning both online and on campus. We're benefiting from the best of both and thriving. That has a lot to do with the Olma Sisterhood, where you can be yourself and be celebrated for it.
Distance learning has taught us that the Olma Sisterhood knows no boundaries. We take care of each other, whether it's face-to-face or on FaceTime. We have our teachers to thank for that. They've created a positive culture that pushes us to do and be our best. They've also taught us to be brave through programs like L2T. It stands for Leadership, Life Skills, and Technology, and will have you doing things you never thought you could. Your self-confidence will soar. Leadership programs like L2T, along with the chance to shadow professionals and test drive careers, gives us a real edge when it's time to apply to college.
Another thing that's unique to Olma is the bond that we share with the Sisters of the Daughters of Our Lady of Mercy. When it comes to things that are good for the soul, they play the lead role. They encourage us to get in touch with our inner selves and trust in God, no matter what challenges we face.
As you consider high schools, we hope you'll add Olma to your list. The academics are exceptional, and the opportunities to lead and to learn are endless. Visit our website at olmanj.org to find out more and schedule a visit, on campus or online. Come see what the Sisterhood is all about. You're going to love it. I hope to see you soon.